You don't need a lot of money to start a garden. So today I'm gonna show you how you can start your garden with as little as $4 or $5. You don't need a lot of money to start a garden, especially a container garden or a small garden at your house. So the first thing that I'm gonna show you is you can get seeds like these. So here I'm here at Dollar Tree, and they have seeds. You can buy 4 packs of seeds for $1, and that's about 50 cents a pack. So as you can see, you can get a lot of different seeds here, and all of these seeds 4 packs for $1. So whatever seeds you're looking for, they have a variety of seeds here that you can get 4 pack per $1. So the next thing that you're gonna need, if you're planting on containers, you're gonna need a container. So here they have containers, different size containers. Over here you can see different colors, different sizes of containers, and all these are $1. So you can get a nice little container like this and plant flowers or herbs in them. Here you have a container like these, and you can plant vegetables, flowers, herbs in them, and you're able to do that. Also, after next thing that you're gonna need is you're gonna need a potting mix. If you're planting in containers, so they have potting mix right here. This is an 8-pound bag, and it's also $1. So there you have all the 3 things that you need to start your seeds in containers, and you can definitely do that and be able to get some vegetables and some other flowers or whatever you want to plant. Also here they have other items that you can use, like garden gloves right here. You have different colors, different variety of garden gloves right here. They have garden decor and other outdoor decor stuff that you can get. They have a variety of decorative items that you can get to decorate your garden, your balcony, or whatever area that you want to decorate. They have that too. They also have some garden tools, so you can see right here. They have, this is a watering can that you can get. That's a thermometer right here. And over here you have garden tools like these that you can use to plant, you can use to transplant, you can use to dig out, you can use to harvest. You have a little rake right there, 3-finger tools right here. Another good tool right here, and this is another tool right here. These are all $1, and you can use them in your garden to do a lot of different gardening stuff. You don't need to spend a lot of money to do that, but all of those things, all these things are $1. Over here you also have a hose sprayer. If you need a hose sprayer, you have a hose sprayer here for $1. You have more seeds over here, flower seeds. Over here all of these are 25 cents. And let me show you more. They have more seeds over here, so you can definitely get a different variety of seeds. Over here they have hanging stuff, hanging ropes that you want. You have hanging containers that you want to hang stuff. You can use that. They have the hanging containers right here. These are $1. You can put your flowers, you can put herbs, you can plant any vegetables or anything in a container like this and just hang them up. They have all the other hanging tools here. They have this metal garden hook right here. This is a different metal garden hook. Same with this one. You can use to hang it. They have garden clips right here. They also have some flower tape right here. Flora tape. You can use it to tie up tomatoes, tie up flowers and other garden stuff. And you can also get microgreens like these. You get microgreens like these, and this is just $1, and you can plant them in a container like this, and you'll be able to get some nice organic vegetables that you can harvest regularly. All you have to do is plant, water it regularly, and you're good to go. Down here they have some bee feeders and bird feeders right here. You have some bird feeders right here. And let's check also on this side. On this side they have more garden stuff. You have twine right here. This is you can use in your garden. These are all $1. This is a little tiny watering soaker hose. So if you want to have a soaker hose, little tiny soaker hose. You can get that. That's $1. You have these are small gardening container kits that you can just they come with the seeds and come with everything. All you need to do is just open the container, water it, and the flowers or whatever herb that's inside start coming out. So over here, a couple of years ago, I did rocket tomatoes, and I showed you guys that you can get rocket tomatoes like this from a dollar store, and you'll be able to plant it and grow stuff. So here they have the same thing. They have, this one is flowers flower rocket. All you need to do is get a container, put this inside, water it, and you get flowers. This one is herb thyme. You just need to do the same thing. Open it up, put your potting mix in the container, put this in the container, water it, and you get your herbs. Maybe I can make a video of these ones and show you how these ones go, but all of these are the same things that you can just get. This is parsley right here. All you need to do is the same thing, just put it in the container and you're good to go. So you can definitely get fresh vegetables, you can get fresh flowers, you can get different things just from a simple kit like this. This is just $1, and you can plant and grow different variety of herbs and different variety of flowers that are cheap, and you don't have to spend a lot of money. So definitely check out your local Dollar Tree, and you might be able to get some good quality items there. So down here they have flowers, have different flower blends. They have seeds for different flower blends. Right here they have marigold, zinnia. All of these are $1.
We have that in that video in our store, merchandise or anything.
No. So there's this here. You have Miracle Grow right here. So you can use Miracle Grow to grow it. So they have different things over here that you could definitely use, and you'll be able to grow whatever you want to grow. So they have garden gloves right here and some other stuff that you can get flowers, decoration, and the hook. So there's quite a few different things that you can get, and you can start a small garden in your balcony, rooftop, just right outside in your front yard, backyard. You can start a small garden, and you will be able to get some vegetables. You don't need to spend a lot of money to do it. So just start, and then you build up from it. Bit by bit, you increase the quantity of things that you plant, increase the number of things that you grow, and you get a garden. Especially now that everything is expensive, the prices are going up. You want to start small and be able to get some fresh vegetables from your garden. So start growing. And if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please leave them in the comments below. I'll try to answer as many as possible. But don't forget to start, and happy growing, everybody. Okay, that is it for today. I hope you loved the video. If you loved the video, please smash the like button. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. Subscribing to the channel helps the channel out, and it helps other people to be able to watch the videos. So subscribe to the channel. If you like the video, somebody else might like the video, please share with friends, family members, co-workers, and anybody that you think might be interested in it. Share with them. And thank you so much for watching, and happy growing, everybody.